Alright, let's go. Can't you walk? Why walk when you can slide? Come on, Bear. Let's go, let's go. It's cold. Come on, let's go. Okay, I'm going. Doo -doo -doo. Come on, Bear.
My hands are cold.
Yeah, I bet they're cold. Let's go. Come on. There we go. Oh, I'm trying not to back into a tree and make this into America's funniest video. Estes, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, there's the tree. Oh, over the log. This is a testament to my ability to run backwards over like icy snow. Yeah! That's right, it's slippery out here, isn't it? Okay, up the hill, watch out, it's icy. It's icy. Gonna go up the side. We're just going for it. Come on. Oh, here are the ducks. Estes, say bye-bye, everyone.
Bye.
Say see you later.
See you later.
That's it.